Hello. Guys, how are you? Comment down how's your days are going on. I welcome you on my channel. Today, we will learn how to generate a custom link or URL for your YouTube channel, which helps you guys to get more subscribers through your link and get engaged audience. So please, I need your support. Subscribe our channel and like this video. All you have to open Eat Studio in any browser, from desktop or from your mobile phone, where you will find a customization option on your left. Click that and open Basic Info. And scroll down where you have to generate a custom URL or link. Confirm that generating link, to get your short link for your YouTube channel, where you can share it anywhere, and it will not be detected as spam or any trouble for your channel. If you want to make it more shorter, you can use bit.ly.com to make it more shorter and good attractive link for your viewers. So do you want to know how to force your viewers to subscribe you? Check my description and subscribe our channel. As most of you know, I put link in description where I mention do not click this link. And most of you goes for it. And click it. And wanna know more about my channel, so guys, that's a real strategy, where you can gain more and more subscribers. Now you can share it anywhere, or any other YouTube channel comment box, to get more random viewers to watch your content. Try it and get more and more subscribers. And thank me by subscribing.